Hello guys, welcome to the show. George back here. So one of the subscribers asked what it has been done to the 190. So this is going to be a straight response to him, and also a little bit of info what I have done to the car previously. So this is 190 1991, so I think that's a facelift. I don't know. Yeah, it should be the facelift. Originally was a 2-liter manual 5-speed. Now it's being swapped to a 2.6 m103 engine. It's not running the mechanical injection, it's running a fuel injection. The fuel injection is managed by Megasquirt V2. It still has the distributor and the coil setup. I'm still keeping that. In the future I might be going coil on plug, but M103 2.6, still the same 5-speed manual that was in the car before, just a new flywheel, the 2.6 flywheel and 2.6 clutch. Also, to make it fit, we used 124 engine mount, so it's pushed a little bit to the back. We had to cut 3 centimeters from the prop shaft and 3 centimeters from the gear linkages because the engine went a little bit to the back. It is running MOM 603 or 606, I don't really remember on that one, don't quote me. Sorry. Re-drilled exhaust manifold and T3 on T4 hybrid turbo. We don't know what power it's making it, but we're hoping more than 300 to the wheels. I hope, I don't know. It's running at 0.5 bars of pressure. The fuel injectors are 444cc Bosch injectors, and it's running the M104 fuel rail. I have started the car, so it runs now. But let me actually show you what's under the engine. You might have seen we have added new additions to the car. We have a wideband sensor right now, which is running and helping for everything to be nice. So yeah, this is the original manifold, fuel distributor and the coils, M104 fuel rail and Bosch Green 404cc injectors, eBay turbo, T3 hot end, T4 cold end, eBay intercooler piping, and BMW front bumper and BMW intercooler. What else? It is running currently stock 2-liter diff, which is welded. It's running W215 calipers and W203 3.2 discs in the drilled and groove. The only thing you need to do is you need to add about 1 centimeter of spacer between the caliper and the knuckle, so you can bring the caliper a little bit towards the rims, so you can center the caliper over the disc. Interior mods, there's not many. It's just steering wheel and white bias sensor, which is not working at the moment. I don't know why. Don't ask me. George doesn't know. So yeah, this is about the car. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm gonna try to answer every single question if there's any. I hope there's not. I hope I have said everything that needs to be known. But yeah, that's about the car. We tune it via Tuner Studio. As you know, this is the Megasquirt official software. The car runs really well now, and this is only with the auto tune turned off. turned on, so I'm pretty happy with it. There's, you know, it needs to have a dyno tune and all that stuff, but for now, like a base map, driving around, I think it's pretty good. So yeah, if you have any questions, shoot it up in the comments, like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.